Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. In this episode we are gonna start Planet Fastoon. We can turn it up a little. Any new weapons? Nope, just the Predator launcher, which we'll purchase now, I guess. Might as well. I know how to use it. Let me just go to options real quick. Turn everything up.
Lock on to enemy targets. Then let go to launch Predator missiles.
That's louder. That is a lot louder than... Oh gosh. More turn up time. Turn up for what?
What the... Where is everyone?
I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
Clank, you see that? It's an old ship.
Very old, it would seem.
Very, very old.
We have to fix her.
Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute.
Clank, please. I need to fix her.
Oh, very well.
A virtual diagnostic of this spacecraft confirms 6 missing components necessary for intergalactic travel.
Thanks.
Happy hunting.
Thanks, Gadgetron girl, that is strangely still in contact with us. Even though we are in the Polaris Galaxy, we are... Whoa, that looks pretty epic. Oh, whoa, I do not like it. Okay. That looks epic down there. Oh, wait till we get some armor, guys. And then this game will change a whole lot. I'm actually thinking of doing a marathon on this game, like, maybe today. There won't be any intro or anything to the game. What? That's a little weird. There won't be an intro to the game, or an outro. It'll just be me playing this game. Is that alright? There will be thumbnails, though, I believe. I'm pretty sure. Or maybe I'll do that later. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to, get into the vibe of this game. Even though I really want to marathon it. Resistance 3. I'm kidding. That it's getting a little old. I'm just kidding. Resistance 3 is still a fun game. I miss it. I kind of want to play it right now, but try to stay with my schedule, and so I can, have time, because I can't just say I'm going to do stuff and not have time for it, because I do that a lot on this YouTube channel. I used to be okay with it. I used to upload daily on my old channel. I had, what, 10 subscribers that always watched. Yeah, I was, 5, and I did Thomas the Train videos, so... And then I made a Ratchet and Clank Kid channel, which all I did was do secrets of Ratchet and Clank and stuff. I deleted that channel because I didn't like it. And then I made this channel, which I totally love. My favorite one so far. Dun 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 dun. Our gun is a lot more powerful now. Sheesh, finally, okay. What should we use now? These guys, Plasma Beast. Will this do okay? I think the Combustor is probably the best. Oh, these are tough little fellas. Holy moly. I'll just go up the grab ramp.
Congratulations. You have received an interstellar holophyte from...
What? Quark? Okay. Is that like the Gmail of this game? Okay, let's use our new weapon here.
Your Predator launcher will only fire when enemies are nearby.
I know. Not in Ratchet and Clank before the Nexus. So yeah, it's good to upgrade this. This is like the beginning kind of missile launcher. It's like the missile, like our first little missile launcher, because the bullets kind of look like missiles. They remind. I thought this was when I first got this gun. I actually thought it was the missile launcher of this game until the actual missile launcher. So it is pretty powerful. Well, that's an understatement. Actually, that is not an understatement. That is a overstatement. It is not very powerful. As you can see, I can't not take down these little guys. Actually, I think the combustor takes him down a lot faster. Yeah, one hit and the combustor takes him out.
Hold your breath, Clank. Looks like we're going for a dip.
Yeah, we're going for a dip. Woo! I forget if it's on this planet or not. I think it is on this planet. I'll have to look it up. But after we fix the ship, we have to go back to Planet Kortog. Because we did miss something there. I'll explain later. Where are we going? Whoa. We missed it, didn't we? Because that's the exit right there. Where is the thing? Oh, here it is. There we go. Dun 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 dun. What is that? Is that Mario Kart I'm singing? One game I've been wanting to play lately has been Crash Bandicoot. Man, just the first 3 games were probably the best games. Or no, I wasn't really a fan of the first game or the second game as much. So I think the 3rd game was definitely the best game in the whole series. And then I would say Twin Sanity, probably, because that was an alright game. The Crash Bandicoot games after Naughty Dog, they're not as bad as you think. They're pretty good, except for Crash of the Titans and Mine Before Mutant, because those games are horrible. What? Another good game that was rebooted, The Legend of Spyro. Yeah, that's like, they just got done with the original series. They got bored of it, so they just did The Legend of Spyro. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. Well, that's when Insomniac doesn't even make the games anymore, so as long as they keep on making Ratchet and Clank games, then, you know, I'm good. If they sell the rights to Ratchet and Clank, I'm never playing an Insomniac game again. If they give it to Bill Gates, and he takes every copy, he blows up because it's all PlayStation. He's like, nope, I can't take it anymore. Blow up every PlayStation copy of Ratchet and Clank. We're gonna redo it. I'm just kidding. Insomniac should never sell the rights to this game. Never, ever, 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 ever sell the rights to this game. This game is too amazing to be sold to some other people. Like, yeah, they had those couple years after A Crack in Time that weren't that good. A Full Frontal Assault and All for One. But then they made Into the Nexus, which was actually a very good game. I loved Into the Nexus. It reminded me a lot of this game, actually. I'm pretty sure that's why people liked it so much. But it was very cheap. It was extremely cheap. It was like $20. Alright. Let's get the flight component. which is up here. Ta-da! Wait, where'd it go? I'm looking for my something. Whatever. I don't need it right now. Because I know what I'm doing. I should know what I'm doing. I know where every secret is in this game. Let's go. We actually do return to this planet like later on in this game. So it's pretty cool, I guess. Actually, it's the last level. There we go. That took a while. Wait, did I already get the one up there? What am I missing? Huh? This place is pretty cool looking. I haven't really spent my time looked around it. That's what I forgot. I remember going up here, so I obviously got the one up here. But there's something else I'm missing. I forgot to go here. Whee! Fun! Let's blow up everything. Alright. I just need one more, which I know where it is. It is in here. Huzzah. Oh, no, it's not. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's over here. In this little tube, which I can turn the volume up, because I'm pretty sure there's a couple cutscenes right here.
Ratchet, the entrance to this raritanium mine is too small for the both of us.
Destroy it.
Destroy what?
We have a lot to show you.
Okay, so, people, like, when I first got this game, before I got this game, I didn't know about these zony things. I thought it was all about Ratchet. I thought the whole game was, like, about Ratchet's future and stuff. But it's actually a lot of this future series is about Clank. Probably I won't say most, but a ton of this future series is about Clank, which is I love it. A crack in time, you play as Clank so much in that game. I would say Clank is more important character than Ratchet in that game. It probably is. But except for in Quest for Booty, Clank's not really important in that. Well, he is, but like you don't play as him, and he's only in one cutscene. Kaboom, boom, kaboom. Hello. Alright, so yeah, these Clank challenges, well, the ones in this game are super annoying. Like, you guys don't even understand. I hate the Clank levels in this game. They're terrible. Oh my gosh, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. Holy cannoli. Oh, see ya. Oh, we just launched him onto the spikes. This game is so funny. Fix. Oh, it's so amazing. See ya. Oh yeah. We'll say goodbye to the Gadget bots because we never see him again ever. I know, it's pretty sad actually. Poor Gadget bots. Oh god. Oh, am I missing something here? Am I missing... I am missing something. In a Ratchet and Clank game, I miss... What? Ethan GV missing something in a Ratchet and Clank game? No, it's... I don't think they're over here. I need more of these zonies. Zoni. They're probably up there in the room that's broken. Yeah, there they are. I thought I missed something. If I had to go back and levitate again, oh my god, that would be horrible. Zoni. Fix. Oh gosh. Yeah. Hello guys. Oh my. Can you guys... Oh, that was enough? Really? Open the door. Oh, there's more of it! Oh, that's a lot. That's just one of them. Womp womp. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh. Now? Oh, bad time. Oh, you gotta jump there or you'll fall in the abyss and die. So yeah, that's a little tip. Jump at that last part, because you will fall through. How did they see the zoning? I thought only Clank could see the zoning. Whatever. Oh no! Hurry up and manipulate, because I know the last one is under this thing. There we go. Let's go! Uh-oh. Turn up for what? The what? The who? The who will
According
rewatch?
to our database, you now have all the parts necessary to restore your ship
Really?
to working order. Thanks
Okay.
for using Gadgetron's virtual diagnostic service. Your account will be billed within 3 working days.
If I even see Gadgetron again. I think there's a cutscene, I'm not sure.
Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work. This. Yes? Yes! It's working!
Super little truffles. I can't believe they used Tinkerer. What a bunch of cheese. Oh, a Lombax. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
What happened here?
Tachyon carved up the city with his army of Droffids. It was a cruel act of retaliation. If only he had known how evil the Plague Knights were. Oh, if they had won the Great War, the entire universe would have fallen under their terrible rule.
Okay. What are drones?
Unpleasant, dreadful, dreadful, dreadful little creatures from planet Zurich. Tachyon bought their loyalty with Raritanium and recruited them for his own personal army.
Alright. Why would Tachyon attack the Lombaxes?
I couldn't say really. Probably to steal their technology. All his ships, his enforcers, even the nanotech combat armor he gave the Drophits, are all made using stolen Lombax technology.
Okay, where are the Lombaxes? Where are the I can't click it!
I am sorry. My memory bank seemed to have been damaged in the crash. The last thing I remember was laying down suppressive fire over the court of Azimuth.
Can you play this whole film we just received?
Of course. I am equipped with an HD47 optical holoscreen. Hop in.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction. Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate. Oops, witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe, the Imperial Fight Festival. Rated M for mature. Come on down to Planet Mukau and enjoy a night of entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only valid for fuzzy, long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
That sounded like Captain Quark.
Which means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's got himself into.
Alright, we can go back to Kortag and Kabalia, but we are actually gonna, we are gonna go back to Kortag. Because we missed something that I will explain once we get it. Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Alright. So we need to use the Robo Wings again. Which there's a thing right here. Right here. We're not going there. We're looking for the diamond-shaped thing that's in the center of the map, I believe. Is it right here? No, I don't think it is. Is it up here? It's like diamond-shaped. Wait, is it on the map? No, it's not. But where's the middle of the map? That's where we know where it is. We're gonna check here. Hello! Don't kill me. Just die. I don't think it's here though. This doesn't look like a diamond-shaped place to me. No, it's not up here. It is diamond-shaped. It's a little area. I know, I've been there before. But sadly, I don't know where it is. Okay. Anywho, it's not there. I don't think it's there. Is it here? Yeah, it is here. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Use our combustor right here. Oh, let's have the Robo Wings that'll look more epic. Wah. Wait, I want to... Wait. Oh, okay, it just disappears. Okay, I don't know if it's this way or not. Is it this way? Oh crap, we better hurry. We got it!
You have discovered a piece of a Gadgetron holoplan.
The Rhino 4 holoplan, guys. If you don't know what that is, it's the Rhino, the most powerful thing in the game. That's what I've been hiding from you guys. But I am going to get the Rhino 4 in this game, guys, because it's pretty epic. But anyways, this has been another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Yeah, future tools of destruction. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name is Ethan GV, and I'm out. Peace.